নমস্কাৰ, মই অভিজিত গগৈ। এই ভিডিঅ'টো সেইসকলৰ কাৰণে যিসকলে পলিটেকনিক পঢ়ি আছে ইলেক্ট্ৰিকেল ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰিঙত, সেইসকলৰ প্ৰিপেৰেশ্যনত সুবিধা হোৱাকৈ 20টা মষ্ট ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কুৱেশ্যন লৈ আহিছোঁ ট্ৰান্সফৰ্মাৰৰ। ব'লক তেতিয়াহ'লে কুৱেশ্যনকেইটা ডিছকাছ কৰোঁ। ফাৰ্ষ্ট কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 1, এ ট্ৰান্সফৰ্মাৰ উইল ৱৰ্ক অন, আৰু ইয়াৰ ৰাইট আনচাৰটো হৈছে অপশ্যন নম্বৰ এ, এচি অনলি। আমি সকলোৱে জানিব লাগে যে ট্ৰান্সফৰ্মাৰ অনলি এচিত ৱৰ্ক কৰে। Question number 2, the primary and secondary of a transformer are coupled. আৰু ইয়াৰ right answer টো হ'ব option number B, magnetically coupled. Question number 3, the principle of working of a transformer is based on. ইয়াৰ right answer টো হৈছে option number C, mutual induction. Question number 4, a transformer are rated in. ইয়াৰ right answer টো হ'ব option number A, kVA, আৰু এইটো আমি সকলোৱে জানিব লাগে। Question number 5, a transformer transform. Your right answer to is option number A, voltage. Question number 6, what type of core is used for high frequency transformer? The right answer to is iron core, option number A. Question number 7, which type of loss are constant in transformer? Your right answer to is option number C, both A and B. Question number 8, a step up transformer increase. Your right answer to is option number B, voltage. Question number 9, which of the following is not a part of transformer? Your right answer to is option number C, exciter. Question number 10, iron losses of transformer are measured by. Right answer to option number A, low power factor wattmeter. Question number 11, short circuit test on transformer. Your right answer to option number B, impedance test. Question number 12, the temperature range of transformer is directly proportional to. Answer to option number A, apparent power. Question number 13, the open circuit test on transformer is always made on. Your right answer to is option number A, low voltage winding. Question number 14, a transformer will have zero efficiency at. Your right answer to is option number B, no load. Question number 15, when load on a transformer is increased, the eddy current. Right answer to option number B, remain unchanged. Question number 16, when load on a transformer is decreased, dress loss is decreased. Your right answer to option number C, copper. Question number 17, the open circuit test on transformer gives. Your right answer to is option number C, iron losses. Question number 18, we can find dress of the transformer with open circuit test. Answer to option number C, turns ratio. Question number 19, the all-day efficiency of transformer is also called. Your right answer to is option number A, energy efficiency. Last question, question number 20, short circuit test of transformer help to find out. Your right answer to is option number B, full load copper loss. Thank you. ইমানখিনি কুৱেশ্যন আছিলে। যদি আপোনালোকে ভিডিঅ'টো চাই ভাল পালে তেতিয়াহ'লে ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি থ'ব আগলৈ এনে ধৰণৰ ইলেক্ট্ৰিকেলৰ কুৱেশ্যনসমূহ পাই থাকিবলৈ।